Our starting point this morning, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases here in South Korea continues to spike. For more details, we are going to connect right away to our Kim Ji-yeon on the line. Jiyeon, the number of COVID-19 related deaths in South Korea increased again on Monday, and the number of confirmed cases continues to rise as well, particularly in the virus-stricken city of Daegu.
That's right, Mark. The number of newly confirmed patients jumped by 231 from the previous day, raising the total number of cases to 833 as of Monday. The majority of the confirmed patients, 682, are from the southeastern region of Daegu and the surrounding Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. Meanwhile, more than half of the confirmed cases, at least 456, were traced to members of the Daegu-based religious group Shincheonji. Local authorities said they're stepping up efforts to track down the remaining Shincheonji members for a thorough investigation. They're to release the test results afterwards. According to the Central Disaster Headquarters of the Korea Centers for Disease Control, there is an estimated 215,000 believers of Shincheonji. It said it will receive the personal identification number, phone number, and residence address of the members. Meanwhile, one more death was reported on Monday, raising the number of coronavirus-related deaths in South Korea to 8. The most recent victim was a 67-year-old hospitalized male patient in Daegu. He was previously a patient at Daenam Hospital in the southeastern county of Cheongdo, where the country's first coronavirus death occurred, and it's where at least 113 people have been infected. With this, the number of coronavirus-related deaths that were patients from the Daenam Hospital has risen to 6. And a 61-year-old woman who is a U.S. Forces Korea dependent living in Daegu has tested positive for the virus. This is the first time a USFK-related individual has been confirmed to have the coronavirus. In response, the USFK raised the risk level to high. Meanwhile, 4 more patients recovered on Monday, increasing the number of those who have been discharged to 22. Mark?
Okay, well, some good news there that more than 20 people have been discharged after making a full recovery. But that doesn't stop the fact that South Korea's health authorities are working 24/7 around the clock to try and contain the virus's spread. How are they adapting to this increasingly worrisome situation?
Well, Prime Minister Chung Se-kyun visits the virus-hit city of Daegu later today to lead the government's containment efforts. The previous day, he stressed the importance of speedy preemptive measures to halt the spread as a nation, and not just focusing on the worst-affected southeastern regions. But Chung denied speculations the South Korean government is considering banning the entry of Chinese as one of its countermeasures. He also added that realistically, it's nearly impossible to delay the April 15th general elections. Back to you.